NFL Network. You can see the field is finished now. You got the 40-yard line. I guess they're getting really close to moving in from, I believe, Culver City. Move their operations over here. They have some kind of permanent fencing on there now. Nice little angle. Give you a shot of the field. That artificial turf looks sweet. And then they have interior sets. According to the renderings, fans will be pressing their faces against these windows and looking inside. That should be interesting. You can see how this building is quite long, and then there's a stairway up there to, I don't know, some other outside area. And you got the NFL building, offices, commercial offices and such next to it. Imagine these interiors are just about done. Not too long to go, I think. And of course those outdoor balconies. You're away from the sun there.